This is a demonstration for the MIPOS objective lens positioner, how to put lenses into it and take them out, and how to mount it into your microscope. The MIPOS comes in a case like this. It has all the tools you need contained, and here we've got the MIPOS stage itself with the moving element being right here. As you can see, it has a rather large threading for our objective lens here, which we want to put in. So usually if someone wants to use multiple objectives with different threading, they'll order something like this and then have adapters that come in a set with the system, like this one here. So this adapter goes into the larger threading, and I don't know if you can see, it's pretty low profile, just doesn't add anything really. So now we're ready to put our objective in, and this also just screws right into the threading. There you go. Now you're ready to put it into your microscope. So to do that, we have what we call a clamp, the clamp ring, and this part has threading on the top which screws into, of course, where you would normally screw your objective lens. So once you've screwed that in, it's attached, you bring up this system so it pops onto here, and then we have a screw on the side which comes in your kit here, and you just screw that in. Hope you can see, just tighten a little bit, and there you go. And you can see pulling on this and it's not coming apart, it's holding the whole system. So when you're ready to take your objective out, put something else in, just do the same thing, just unscrewing. There you go, and you're done.